Namaste. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and generative AI to working IT professionals. I have seen that still many people don't know how to access an open source LLM, right? So we know that open source LLMs are present on Hugging Face, but how can we use them? We just use, we only use ChatGPT, but there are so many LLMs which are out there. So like to be precise, there are 3,000 plus LLMs out there, and we are not using them, like Mistral, Llama, and Gamma, all these models, right? So how can we do that? So we'll be accessing models which are present on Hugging Face using Langchain. So Langchain, as you know, is a developer framework to build LLM applications. So we can install Langchain first, and then we'll install Langchain community. Why Langchain community? Because in order to access any third-party tool, we need to install Langchain community. Here, the third-party tool is Hugging Face. That's why we need to install Langchain community. After that, we need to add the API token. I'll tell you how to do that. So for that, you need to go to Hugging Face, and then you need to come to settings, right? When you come to settings, you need to go to access tokens, and then you can create a new token. I've already created a token and I have added my API key. Please don't use this because anyways, I'll be deleting this API key after the video. So that's how you create and add your API token. Now let's see what we are doing. We are importing Hugging Face class from Langchain, Hugging Face class because Hugging Face hub class, because from there we will be actually accessing a model. Now let's see what it's doing. So in Hugging Face we are passing repo ID. Now how can we get the repo ID? Let me show you. So come to Hugging Face, go to models. So you can see there are so many models present here for all kind of things: image, text to text, object detection, image to video, all kinds of videos are present. So we need to go to text generation. Natural language processing, you'll get text generation. So LLMs are present under text generation. Now if you can see, there are so many models which are present here. You can see Llama 3.21b, and then you can see Google's Gamma 2, and then there are so many Microsoft 5 3.5, and then there is Mistral. So let's use Mistral. So go to this model, and how you get the repo ID? Copy this, and this is the repo ID. So here, come and add your repo ID, and then we are passing the model quarks as in other parameters. What is temperature? Temperature is like we are specifying how much creative a model can be. So higher the temperature, higher the creativity. If the temperature is close to zero, model will stick to facts. It will not be creative. But if the temperature is more, model will try to be creative. So if you want to do creative work like writing a poem or something like that, then you can increase the temperature. And if you want to generate facts like what is if you like what is in for photosynthesis, then we need to basically keep the temperature as lower or close to zero. And then we are specifying maximum length as 128 is how many tokens we want model to generate. Okay, so this is what we have given. And then now let's define, let's call the model LLM Hugging Face. Let's predict. So let's maybe we can start with a creative one. Let's write a poem on generative AI. Let's use this, and then let's predict. Oh, sorry. I need to first initiate this thing. Now once we have done this, now let's run this. So now we must get some output. So we have got this output that in the realm where thoughts and code collide, a new creation born with a digital stride, generative AI, a marvel of our time, a symphony of algorithms in a digital rhyme. So I think this is a decent poem which the model has generated. And now maybe we can ask something which is a fact, like what is photosynthesis. So now let's ask this. So we get photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. So this is what we know. So this is how we can access open source LLMs present on Hugging Face using Langchain. I told you. So basically, you have to go to the models, and you can select any repo ID you want. You can add that repo ID here, and then you can start using the model. So ChatGPT is not the only LLM which you can use. Now there are other all open source LLMs. So there are 3,000 plus open source LLMs which are present, which are out there. You can use them, and you can start generating or basically your text using those models. So I hope you like the video. You might want to subscribe my, or you might want to follow me. You know I create videos on AI and generative AI. I create basic stuff, and I also create the latest stuff like AI agents, multimodality, federated learning, advanced retrieval techniques. I create videos on these topics as well. So maybe if you want, you can follow me. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it.